Alright, so we're gonna go ride in the Slingshot today. Get it. Holy smokes, that's just like, look, I gotta sit like that. There's the rain. Okay. What is that? You can take a left. Just go straight. Okay. And then you can take on the right. Ooh, it's hot day today. Damn, Gina. Yep, it's a hot, diggity day today. Okay, slow down. Too much. Okay, oh my God, I'm not ready for this. Nah. So me and my niece, we're gonna go and try out some shave ice. It's called Shimazu store. Easy.
Shimazu or
Shimazu
store.
I got an orange dream. Yeah. That's a cakey size and it's still big, yeah?
That's huge.
You wanna try?
Not even
Taste
cake
it?
size. Oh, it's orange dream. You can't go around orange dream at all.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's like ice cream. I like that.
Lorraine got some tropical thingy.
Thank you. Thanks for waiting.
Let me see yours. Oh, tropical ice.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's go outside then. Not too big.
Okay.
Hey, yours doesn't smell like
Guava. That's all I remember.
mango guava. I don't know what else, but it looks good. It smells like
It's good.
it smells fruity. Ooh, hot suey. Burn your butt. I eat my pizza. I had a free pizza from Domino's and they're like down the road, so I got a free pizza and I got some, of course, some chicken wings. I know it's really bad for me, but I'm doing it today. Oops. I'm doing it today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was, my skin was getting so hot riding in that Sligshot. Okay, and we got this. I won't eat it all, but maybe I can take some to work tomorrow. Hopefully. Somebody is like eyeing me up over there, Nevaeh. Okay, so why, I feel like why don't they, like when I first ordered from them, the pizza was so good, just right. Like there was enough sauce and cheese and stuff. And then I bought one last week. That's why I got this one free. I bought one last week. It was the stuffed crust, but I didn't quite like the crust. And I took it to my mom's house and they ate it. So it's okay for me to eat this one because I really didn't eat much last week. I feel like whoever was making the pizza the other time that I ordered it was so good, like really good. This one is alright. It's hard when you want to eat pizza and then only got you in the house, yeah? You eat like a couple bites and then a couple pieces and then... Right now, if you hear that noise, it's my AC. One thing with Domino's, I don't know why they're so fast. Look how tiny this one. It's a small one. I think those are perfect size. Because sometimes you'll have the regular size sodas and it's just waste. This one is alright. So it's my day off, so I'm just, you know, lounging around. And don't know what to watch. Let's watch Twilight. I used to love that show. Twilight. So it has Italian sausage and pepperoni. Pepperoni. And the stuff we was eating earlier was like shaved ice. That's a really good treat when you're like in the sun. I don't know what you guys call it. I know you guys in the mainland called it, I forget what it's called. Snow cones, you guys call it, yeah? But we call it shave ice. Oh yeah. Okay, so we got that. It's hot. So I'm eating bad food today. Oily, not good for you, cholesterol kind food. I've been doing really good. For some days you just want to be bad, right? Alrighty gang, so I'm gonna finish my dinner. This is my dinner already. my dinner, and then you guys all have a wonderful night. You guys take care. God bless. Mwah. And I'll see you guys in my next video.